Thanks for joining us on CBS 5 this morning. We've got some high temperatures, a lot of sunshine, good for mowing, I assume.
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Yeah.
I think, when it's a little bit more comfortable. And the grass may start to slow down growing. It's been growing so well lately, but with this dry weather, I need to water it, especially the flowers. They're going to need it. They might start to wilt with the high heat that we've got coming in the dry weather. Mow or no for the next several days? Really, it's mow, 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 and more mow. I only put iffy here Friday because it could turn dangerously hot for working outdoors during the afternoon. So I think Friday weather-wise is probably going to be okay. A mix of sunshine and clouds. A little bit more cloud cover by Friday afternoon. Maybe that'll help keep cool. And there actually is, late in the afternoon Friday, going into Friday evening, a risk for a scattered shower or thunderstorm, but it's to the northeast of Onondaga County, and it's just isolated. So most likely, we're not going to find any rainfall during this period through the rest of the work week. But it does turn, the heat index by Friday afternoon could be approaching the mid to upper 90s. And we've also got the taste of Syracuse. So the colder drinks are going to be hot commodities for some of those booths. Looking at the rainfall projection for the next week, 7 days. Not a lot of rain here. I think the bulk of this is going to come Saturday here in central New York. A couple of scattered showers or a thunderstorm. Heavy rains off of the Carolina coast. Up in New England, we'll have a better chance for rain out in the Plain States. So we've got more sunny days ahead. Today's one of them. Beautiful clear sky out there right now. The little haze in the air. There are some fires here in southern Nova Scotia circulating in off the east coast. Low pressure down here continuing to give the coast of the mid-Atlantic some wet weather, but we're not going to find this high pressure moving. It's just going to move right over us. So fairly light winds the next couple of days. It's about 5 to 10 today, but tomorrow's winds are going to be closer to 0 to 8 miles per hour. That high is just about right over us. A few cumulus clouds pop this afternoon. Very few clouds at all tomorrow. Going into Thursday, a few high thin clouds, and then eventually late this week, a little bit more in the way of clouds and a chance for that rain increasing, unfortunately, over the weekend. So beautiful sunshine warming us by 11 a.m., solidly in the 70s, 70 to 77, and eventually making it into the upper 80s. I'm forecasting 87. Now it'll be cooler near Lake Ontario shoreline, up around Oswego, and maybe some of the higher elevations to the south and southeast, a little bit more comfortable. But at least the humidity's low along with that breeze. And you can open up the windows tonight again. We'll cool down into the 60s, and many spots will make the upper 50s. It's mainly clear to partly cloudy. Then for tomorrow, heating it up once again. Low humidity. That's a nice thing. Not much wind to cool us down, though. Upper 80s. And then as we go into tomorrow evening, it's still very stuffy. High pressure's with us. It's going into Thursday. We're sunshine and nearing the record high temperature of 91. I think we make 90 degrees here on Thursday and even warmer on Friday. 7-day forecast. Look at the string of sunny days here right through midday Friday. Really heating up. At least we get some cooler nights. This is where it's going to be a little taxing on the body. The humidity level comes up a little bit. 91, a real feel in the mid 90s at least. Isolated shower thunderstorm possible, but not likely. A few showers and storms Saturday. Cooler Sunday. My pick day with sunshine. Abby?
Thanks, Mike.